how to clear app data and cache on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, to clear app data and cache, you'll need to head over to Settings, then go to General, then tap on iPhone Storage, and then find the app of which you want to clear data and cache. And then you'll need to tap on Offload App. So offloading the app will delete the app but keep its documents and data. So after offloading the app, you'll need to reinstall it again. And then while it is being reinstalled, all the app data and cache will be cleared and updated to the latest version. And you can do the same with other apps as well. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.